Go.
Fans, we have a big surprise for you.
Are you ready for a surprise?
Yes.
What is that?
Lava lamp.
We're gonna make a lava lamp. You get a lava lamp too? Oh man. All right, let's open it up. Open it up. Okay, so first we have to grab the sodium bicarbonate. Okay, make sure you have a parent at home when you're doing this. Okay, Roman, so you have to get 2 scoopfuls of that.
Okay.
Okay. Just stick the spoon in there.
Mommy. Okay.
Get 2
Or
spoonfuls.
chicken. Or chicken, mommy.
Okay, go get it. Alright, 2 full. Oh, that's not full. Do another one. Make sure it's full all the way up. Okay. A little bit more.
A little bit more in.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. And then give me the spoonful here. And then we have to do 1 spoon of this. Let me pour it in. Hold it over the cup. Alright, pour it in. Good. Add 2 drops of water.
I want to do it. Stop.
Okay, 2 drops into there. No, into here. 1, 2, oh, okay, good. Oh. All right, let me see.
And more?
Nope, that's good. All right, and then you gotta stir it up with the mixing stick. So stir it up. All right, so now we waited 1 minute. And now flip the tray and allow the 2 effervescent tablets to come off the tray. Carefully pat the tray on the back part if needed. So flip it over. Okay, tap on the back of them. Wait. Hey fans, so Mateo wants to make the kinetic lava lamp.
Yeah?
So, yep, nope, not yet. So first, he put 30 ml of water in there, and now he's gonna put 30 ml of glycerin solution into there. Hey fans, so now Teo's putting 30 ml of glycerin in there. Good job, Teo. All right, and now we have to do that all over again. Are you ready to add this to yours, Teo? Yeah. All right, watch out. That's 1. Watch out. Lift that up. All right. Hey fans, so here is Mateo's kinetic lava lamp. Mateo, that is so cool. Look how effervescent it is. Oh, so awesome. That is so.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.
So awesome.